Hello and happy October! In this video, I would like to decorate a witch's hat. Specifically, I would like to try some embroidery, which I've never done before, and maybe add some beading, and I'm sure sewing is going to be involved somewhere. I'm not looking to do anything crazy, I just want to decorate it. You can't tell me this is not a blank canvas. I drew up a rough idea of what I wanted to do on my iPad, but the likelihood that I'm going to stick to this plan is low, like my expectations. Now that the hat is clean, it's time to get into the embroidery part of this. Since I'm a complete beginner with embroidery, I decided to go with the easiest star stitch I could find, which is basically cute little plus signs. There are so many cute embroidery stitches though, like there was these really cute little leaves and flower ones, and I was like, oh, I could do an entire theme where it's like greenery, and it started getting away from me incredibly fast. I needed to rein it back in. I needed to do stars. That's all I'm trying to learn today is stars. But I tell you what, if this goes well, I'm decorating a jacket. I didn't want there to be too much embroidery on the brim of the hat, so I went in with seed beads and filled in the spaces between the stars. This added a little bit of sparkle and a little bit of texture. I have done a little bit of beading before, but it's all been like earrings and stuff like that, so this was my first time sewing beads onto something. And here is what the brim looks like. I think it's turning out pretty freaking awesome. I do think that I want to go in though and add something along the edge. I think it'd be cool to have like something dangling down. And like I said, I've done some earring beading, so that should be simple enough, right?
Y'all ready for this?
Sorry. Anyway, look how good this turned out. It's amazing, but we gotta deal with this underside. Did you notice how I cleverly did not show this until now? Yeah, I don't want to deal with this. Let's cover it with fabric. So for choice one, we have this really pretty purple satin fabric that I have left over. And then I also have this black velvety fabric. It's not sparkly, it's just got stuff on it. Either one of these is gonna add pretty cool texture. What to choose? I've decided we're going with purple. Surprise, I'm also not very good at sewing, but I do know that I probably need a pattern, which means that I need to measure the brim of this hat to figure out how much fabric I need to cut. I'm adding a little bit extra so that I can fold it in. And then I need to go ahead and measure this inside hole. And I need to add a little extra here too because I'll be folding this in as well. All right, numbers. doing is like 99% prep, and that is just not... That's not how I like to do stuff. I want to just do stuff, you know? Anyway, we're here now, so let's figure out how we're gonna cover this stuff up. Hopefully completely, because I measured things right. Hopefully. I don't know. I think it looks like I might have done something right. Well, now I just need to clamp it down and sew it up. I think we just need a few more finishing touches around the center. And then, I don't know, maybe like add something here? That could be cool. I still feel like it's missing something. Alright, give me a second. What do we think? If I can get it in there. I don't know, I kind of like it. Maybe move it up a little bit. If I can get it wedged in there. Yeah, no, I think I want the feather. Let's sew it down. I also decided to go in and add some dangly bits to the tip of the hat, because who doesn't love some good dangly bits? You saw what in your crystal ball? An embroidered jean jacket? You don't say. Huh. No, but seriously, I am incredibly proud of this project because I was able to keep my too much gene at bay. I mean, I know it's a witch's hat, but I wasn't trying to decorate it with things that screamed Halloween per se. Maybe I want to be a cute witch in January. I have my rights. Also, I didn't have to spend any money on this project. I already had just embroidery floss and beads and some decorative stuff laying around, and it's only technically a problem if you never use the stuff you're saving. Otherwise, you're just storing stuff. And I mean, come on, look at these little dangly bits. Anyways, if you like crafty content and are interested in seeing what else I can dream up, consider subscribing or hitting the like button. The robots tell me that tickles a little bit. And as always, thanks for watching.